welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. I want to make you a, this is like, you know what, Ben, I want to mention, I get this pepper and honestly it's like some chili pepper. They're not really say spicy or hot. They can just eat on its own just like this. So we're gonna just marinate them, season them up with some olive and some more vegetable and stuff. I'm gonna make a simple salad. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. As I said, we are putting on some salad and juice as we goes along on this channel, and hopefully guys will like the recipe them which I've been putting up since lately. Please leave your comments in the description box, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook and Google Plus. Me get your favorite recipe. Thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. And the Juice Bar channel is growing really well, really good, and I want to take the time to say thank every one of you guys who subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Don't forget to follow me, follow Chef Ricardo and get the latest update. Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus. Get some information, daily posts, daily blogging and daily talk. Alright guys, so stay tuned and watch how I make a simple salad this evening. Enjoy it. So this is how it's going to be started right here. As I say, this is a salad and this is like some jalapeno pepper, which is not spicy. Alright, so first thing what we're going to do is put some olive inside of this, some green olive. If you got black olive, you can use the black olive, it doesn't matter. Alright, second thing is I have some cucumber, and I'm gonna simply remove the skin off of this quarter for cucumber. And I know you guys can do the same thing. If you have a peeler, you can use a peeler. If you have a small knife of safety, please use a small knife to remove the skin from the cucumber. Alright guys, then what we're going to do next, you can cut it up a little bit chunky, you know what I mean, everything is chunky. So I'm gonna cut half more of the cucumber, and I'm gonna remove the skin from the cucumber just to give it a new, just a little bit more lighter and make it look really nice and lovely. Alright guys, so as you can see exactly what's going on. Chop that straight inside of it. Then we're gonna put some cherry tomato inside of it. As you can see, how I'm doing it, just cut them into half, quarters. Come on, lovely and nice. And then the tomato, I'm just gonna cut them into 4, make them chunky also. Nice one. Spring onion. Lovely. And we're gonna marinate it up. This now. Dry chili. And some pepper. Little bit of apple cider vinegar, just a little pinch, and some olive oil. Nice one. Get this one prepared and ready to make. It's just amazing. Then marinate them up. You know? Yeah. And then we're going to put it on top of this salad mixed leaf right here. So if you're at home and you want to make something lovely and nice, this was really coming handy for you guys. If you have some black olive, even better to use the black olive. Alright guys, so you can put some garlic if you like, but I just keep it plain and simple, as you know Chef Ricardo do things already. Look at this recipe. This is amazing, guys. I want to say thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming like this, guys. It's just amazing recipe. Thank you so much for tuning into the show, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. As over the few weeks now, we've been putting up a lot of salad because it is summer and a lot of people like salad. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch the video and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And I will see you next time with the best of the best and the top of the best recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.